Welcome to TechSphere. When it comes to the future of transportation, Tesla is a name that stands out. It's not just because of their sleek electric cars or their visionary CEO, Elon Musk. It's because Tesla is on a relentless quest to create fully autonomous vehicles, cars that can drive themselves with zero input from the driver. In this video, we're diving deep into Tesla's ambitious push toward full autonomy. We'll explore the technology, the challenges, and the bold steps Tesla is taking to lead the world into an autonomous future. So how close are they to achieving this goal? Let's find out. When you think of Tesla, the first things that come to mind might be cutting-edge electric cars, innovative battery technology, or even space exploration, thanks to Elon Musk. But at the core of Tesla's mission lies a much bigger ambition, creating a future where cars are fully autonomous. Tesla's vision is not just about making driving easier, it's about eliminating the need for drivers altogether. Imagine a world where your car can take you anywhere safely and efficiently while you relax, work, or even sleep. That's the future Tesla is striving to build. Autonomous vehicles aren't just a futuristic fantasy. Tesla is actively making them a reality. The ultimate goal is to have a fleet of self-driving electric vehicles that can function as robo-taxis. Think about it. Your car could drop you off at work, and instead of sitting idle in a parking lot, it could spend the day earning money for you as an autonomous taxi. That's the future Tesla envisions, and it's closer than you might think. Tesla's journey toward full autonomy began in 2014 with the introduction of Autopilot. This system was a major leap forward, allowing Tesla vehicles to assist drivers with tasks like lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and automatic braking. It wasn't fully autonomous, but it was a game changer. Since then, Tesla has continuously refined and improved Autopilot, making it smarter and more capable with each software update. Over the years, Tesla has collected billions of miles of data from its fleet of vehicles, learning from real-world scenarios that no simulator could ever replicate. This data is fed into Tesla's neural networks, enabling the cars to get better at understanding and reacting to complex road situations. In essence, every Tesla on the road today is helping the company get closer to true autonomy. It's like having millions of test vehicles working round the clock, gathering information and improving the system. In recent years, Tesla has taken things to the next level with its full self-driving, or FSD package. Unlike the earlier versions of Autopilot, FSD is designed to handle almost every aspect of driving, from city streets to highways. It includes features like Navigate on Autopilot, which helps the car autonomously change lanes, take exits, and navigate interchanges. There's also the impressive Smart Summon, where your car drives itself to you from a parking spot. But Tesla's endgame with FSD isn't just to improve convenience, it's to eliminate the need for human drivers altogether. They want cars that can navigate city streets, stop at traffic lights, yield to pedestrians, and make complex turns, all without human intervention. The vision is for Teslas to be fully autonomous, capable of driving themselves in any environment, in any condition. To achieve full autonomy, Tesla's biggest advantages in the race for autonomy is its ability to deliver over-the-air software updates. Imagine buying a car, and every few weeks, it gets smarter and better without you having to do anything. That's what Tesla offers. Through these updates, Tesla can roll out new features, fix bugs, and even improve safety features, all remotely. To accelerate the development of FSD, Tesla launched a beta testing program that allows select users to try out early versions of the software. This program has generated a lot of buzz, but also some controversy. Essentially, Tesla is crowdsourcing the development of its self-driving system by gathering real-world data from users around the world. Each time a beta user drives, the car learns and improves. This approach has allowed Tesla to collect data from a variety of driving environments, which is crucial for training its neural networks. However, it's not without risks. Beta testers are required to remain attentive and take control if necessary. But there have been concerns about the safety of allowing unproven software on public roads. Despite all the progress, Tesla still faces significant challenges. Achieving full autonomy isn't just about making a car that can drive itself. It's about making a car that can handle every possible situation it might encounter. From unexpected obstacles to complex traffic patterns, there are countless scenarios that need to be accounted for. Tesla's current FSD system, while impressive, still requires drivers to be vigilant and ready to take over at any moment. The ultimate goal is level 5 autonomy, where no human intervention is required at all. That's a tall order, and there are still many technical and regulatory hurdles to overcome. Another major challenge is regulation. While Tesla is pushing the boundaries of what's technologically possible, the legal framework for self-driving cars is still in its infancy. In many regions, there are strict regulations that limit the use of autonomous features, and getting approval for full autonomy is a long and complicated process. Tesla is working with regulators around the world to ensure that their technology is safe and reliable. But until there's a clear legal path for fully autonomous vehicles, Tesla's dream of a robo-taxi fleet may remain just that, a dream. So what does the future hold for Tesla's push toward full autonomy? Elon Musk has been optimistic, even predicting that fully autonomous Teslas would be a reality by the end of the year. While those predictions haven't always come true, there's no denying that Tesla is making incredible progress. Tesla's journey towards full autonomy is one of the most ambitious projects in the tech world today. They've made incredible strides along the road ahead. What do you think? Will Tesla be the first company to bring fully autonomous cars to the masses? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on the latest in tech from TechSphere.